And another woman that could take your spotlight. If so, if I wrote you a symphony, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby, it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make it my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make it my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make it my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make it my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Thank you.
Okay, girl.
Yeah, this one I like a lot better.
Okay.
They even
Actually went quick too, huh?
well, this one was easy because it was already pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make it my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make it my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love. My love. My love. And another woman that could take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, and you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, and you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, and you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, and you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, and you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside.
Okay, so if I had to give my honest opinion on this hair, first of all, like I said, this is the UNice 13x4 pre-everything 24-inch black straight hair. So let's get into my likes and my dislikes about the hair. What I like about the hair is that it is full. It is very, very soft. It is Obviously it's pre-everything. This hair, honestly, it only takes about, like, this video is probably going to be long only because I have this review in here, but honestly when I put this on, this hair only took me about 19 minutes max to put it on and make it look nice. Like it's honestly even less than that, but because I was using like my melting lace spray and stuff like that and whatnot, like, you don't have to. If you want to just throw it on and go, it's literally for that method. But because I like mine to look a certain way when I'm going out or when I'm doing my hair, that's the only reason why it took me as long. But 19 minutes tops, honestly, is what it takes to get this hair done. So I love how it's pre-everything, pre-plugged, pre-bleached, pre-cut. I do love that. But that also kind of segues into the one dislike, because I didn't really have too many dislikes about this hair. The only dislike that I have is that because it's pre-cut, I can't fix it to my hairlines. Everybody's hairline is not the same. So when they cut it, yes, I like the jagged edge that they cut it in because it melts easier. But however, if your hairline is closer to your brows, or if your hairline is like kind of all over the place, it doesn't help in that aspect. So you will have to add some baby hairs. Like, I normally wouldn't add baby hairs. I mean, I like these little soft small ones. I think it's cute, but they don't, it didn't line up with my hairline, so I had to add them. But if you have a pretty normal hairline, which I don't really like the word normal because it's a normal hairline, but if you have one of those even hairlines where it's just around, then this is perfect for you. But I will say that's the only dislike that I don't like about the pre-cut. But however, like I said, everything else, from the texture to the density to how easy it is to apply, I will say it over and over again. I don't know where this wig was years ago when I really started doing wigs, because it's just so simple and so easy. Like I said, this is 24 inches. I like how full it is. I'm not gonna overly straighten it because I kind of like the normal straight, like that it comes with, like that slight wave to it. Honestly, I think the wave just came from it being like in that bag, but to me it gives off more of like a natural appearance when it's like not bone straight. Now if you like bone straight, they go into it, but I like this. I feel like it's natural and normal, but I like just it's easy to put on. Another thing that I liked about this is that it had the ear tabs on the side. I was actually very shocked when I saw it, because at first I was like, what is that? Like, why do you have that there? That's not going to blend into my hair. What am I supposed to do with that? But then when I looked at the tab and realized, oh, it's one of those sticker tabs and it's clear, it really makes having a glueless wig easier now, because this is a glueless wig. But with the ear tabs now, with them being ear to ear, once you pull it down, you can pull it as snug, as tight as you want, so it can really melt that lace without having to glue it down. But once you put it down in there and just press it in, you can go from there. Like, it's so nice. You can even just take like your favorite bronzer and bronze it up, and you don't have to glue it. Like I said, I glue mine because of the lifestyle that I have. But honestly, the ear tabs, I love the whole ear tabs. And then they're not thick ear tabs. They're not like bulky either, so you don't feel like, oh, it's just bulging out on the side. They are perfect. I like what they did with this ear tab. I will say I like the 13x4 over the 7x5, because normally I get the 7x5s. Those are nice, but I like the full coverage. I like to have the whole look. I don't want it to just be here and then you just see my edges and stuff. I don't care for that. I don't care for that. But this, I actually really like this. It's really nice. It's really lightweight. It came with the band. I know some of you guys said that when you ordered it didn't come with the band. I don't know what that's about, but I personally love the hair. It was easy for me to put on. I sped up the video on some parts just because they were redundant as far as like me plucking or me running the hot comb through my hair. But honestly, like I said, tops this hair 15 to 19 minutes. Like, put it on and go, literally. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know down in the comments down below. Of course, this hair will be linked in the comments, not in the comments, it'll be linked in the description box if you would like to go purchase the exact one that I have. I will also include a few other links for different textures and styles because they're very nice, but this one for sure, I will be sure to include this in the description box. Do not head off of my channel yet. Be sure to subscribe if you really like this video. Be sure to let me know if you like this video by commenting. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and then also just go check out some more videos on my channel, or before this video ends, which I'm talking right now, so you're probably seeing it up on the screen. Just click on one of these because these are some more ready to wear wigs by UNice that I have done on my channel already. But thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.